Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us today in Cooking in the Kitchen at Cancer Support Community. I'm Kat Moser, and I have the pleasure of introducing my friend and dietitian, Lori Coleman.
Hello.
Hello. Lori, today we're going to show everyone how to make potato soup mix and put it in a jar, decorate the jar, and give it away as a gift to someone.
I know, I think it's a great idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started showing you how easy it is to mix up this dried soup. First, we have 2 cups of instant mashed potatoes. So those are dried potatoes.
I'll help you by stirring.
Thank you. The next ingredient is 1.5 cups of dried milk. That's next. We are moving on to 1.5 teaspoons of bouillon. This is chicken, but you could use beef if that's what you prefer. We have dried onion to go in for a little bit of texture because it's minced onion, so it's a little bit bigger. Next we have parsley, which I really like. I would do more. This is 2 teaspoons, but I would probably do 3 or 4 for the color.
I would too.
Yeah. I have a teaspoon of seasoned salt, which adds a little bit of depth color-wise. We also are adding 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, so you just take those dried ingredients, get them all mixed up, and the next step will be to take this and get it into a mason jar, and after that we will decorate it and get it set for gift giving. This is what we will use. Just have a ladle, putting the dried mix into the mason jar. Get it nice and full. What the gift receiver will do is take 1/2 cup of mix and add 1 cup of boiling water, and then that will be a serving of soup, ready quickly and easily. There you go.
What a beautiful, nice homemade gift. And please don't make the soup in the jar. You would take out the mix and mix it, and you will have the instructions on the web. We'll tell you, you can cut this out and include it with each of your gifts. So what I did is I think it's nice to give a gift with things that you have around your house. Think a moment what you have. So for example, I used a dishcloth here, and then I put a thank you tag, and I put a little fall leaf, and this is giving a gift of the soup with a spoon and a dishcloth that's reusable.
That's so cute. I would love to get that as a gift.
Yeah, that's nice. I'm inspired by my Amish friends. They always give useful things that can be reused again and again.
Nice.
I took the newspaper, folded it up. I put some crackers in saran wrap with the recipe with a little note card. That makes a nice presentation for fall. And as we go into the winter, I took a cloth napkin, wrapped it around, put the gift tag and a little piece of greenery that I had, all artificial so it doesn't go bad or anything. And then you have the jar that's reusable, you have the cloth napkin that's reusable. It's just a wonderful win for women. So if you're going to give somebody a gift as a thank you, you're visiting someone's home, you have a birthday, why don't you take your jar and put things in the bag like crackers, you have a dishcloth, hand sanitizer, things that are healthy that can be used by anyone. But here, what I put is together was another cloth napkin with some fall greenery. I put a couple candy bars, healthy candy bars, inside this gift bag. So you use your own creativity, use things that you have around the house, gift tags for your tags, stationery, old cards, and you've got a beautiful gift with wonderful, heartwarming soup for someone else.
Right, I think it's a great idea.
I do too.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in today, and thank you, Lori, for showing us how to make
Thank you.
a great gift.
Thank you for showing us how to decorate. I love it.
Thank you.